का घर तोड़ पाएंगे अजीत जी? अजीत जी, ये दाऊद इब्राहिम का घर तो तोड़े, ये कंगना का घर क्यों तोड़ रहे हैं? दाऊद का घर तोड़ो,
इंडिपेंडेंट
आप दाऊद का घर तोड़ो। अजीत जी बोलिए।
प्रोटोकॉल भाई,
अजीत जी
प्रोटोकॉल कौन है? उद्धव ठाकरे क्या एक मुख्यमंत्री के आवास के आसपास या फार्म हाउस या प्रॉपर्टी के आसपास कोई पत्रकार नहीं जा सकता? ये कहाँ प्रोटोकॉल में लिखा हुआ? क्यों नहीं जाएगा? किस बात का डर है तुम लोगों को? वो क्या पूछ लेगा, क्या अनर्थ करेगा वहाँ पे? और तुम धमकाओगे, डराओगे, मारोगे, पीटोगे? ये कौन सा? ये भी प्रोटोकॉल में लिखा हुआ है कि उद्धव ठाकरे जी के अगेंस्ट अगर उसके घर के आसपास भी कोई मर्डराएगा तो बिना बात का तुम उसको जेल में डाल दोगे, उसे लीगलिटीज का एक्सेस नहीं दोगे, लीगल रिकॉर्ड नहीं सीख कर सकता है, उसे परेशान कर रहे हो। तुम एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पोस्ट पे हो तो वही कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जिसकी शपथ खा के उद्धव ठाकरे जी इंडिपेंडेंट रिपब्लिक ऑफ मुंबई जो चला रहे हैं, उसका जो कर रहे हैं वही संविधान हर पत्रकार को ये आजादी देता है कि वो माइक लेके जाए और सही सवाल पूछे, और वो सवाल पूछेगा और सही सवाल पूछे और वो सवाल पूछेगा। तुम्हारे स्थान विशेष में दर्द होता रहेगा, तुम्हारे स्थान विशेष में दर्द होता रहेगा, तुम्हारे स्थान विशेष में दर्द होता रहेगा। नहीं है चिल्ला चिल्ला के बोल रहे हैं, चिल्ला के बोलेंगे और तुम्हारी बोलती बंद
नहीं, डरे हुए तो आप हैं। प्रदीप भंडारी,
a serious financial strain on anybody, and you're saying that it's a story that does not worth discussion by the media. All right, if you dislike Kangna that much, let's discuss another story. Since the subject is media, let's confine ourselves to the media and let's not get into economics and all of that. Right now, there were a group of jihadis who wanted to attack the studio of Sudarshan TV. Now, Tanveer can quote verses of the Quran, but he's not going to speak against the jihadis and the Islamists who are waiting to attack the studios of Sudarshan TV because he does not have the spine to do that, firstly. Secondly, when these liberals talk about, speaking truth to power, we need to understand what power do we want to speak the truth to. Which power is being fascist today? BJP is seemingly least bothered. They haven't gone after any journalist who has criticized them. So you need to understand that when these liberals talk about speaking truth to power, let me complete, Tanveer, let me complete. If you are so eager, you can maybe go join your brethren in front of Sudarshan TV studios, but let me complete. We need to understand what power do we want to speak the truth to. The BJP, frankly, is terrible at proving its fascist credentials. The fake media talks lies to toothless fascists like the BJP and sing praises to true fascists who are today demolishing office spaces, who are arresting journalists, who are filing hundreds of FIRs against journalists, who are sitting here and abusing the very media who bothers to pick up these issues and ask the governments in power what the hell are they trying to do. So you are speaking lies to toothless fascists like the BJP and you're singing praises like as if you're in the court of a monarch when you're talking to fascists who are going after journalists.
I think why take this forward with...
And all your liberal friends are absolute shameless hypocrites.
I completely agree, and to that Tanveer, one minute, there are others also on the debate. Let me add a couple of... I want you, Nupur, to tell Manojit Mandal and all of our viewers today what you went through. Because when the Mamata Banerjee government went after you and your husband, your entire family, right, when you were facing threats, and let me tell you, according to the Mamata Banerjee government, please look at this lady carefully. Nupur is her name, Nupur Sharma. According to Mamata, Smita, she is the #1 rowdy and gunda in the state of Bengal. She was taken to the police station into the rowdy center, and she and her husband were interrogated for being rowdies. And she was told that if you want to stay in Kolkata, take away this story, otherwise we'll make your life miserable. When all of this happened, nobody stood for her. Please, yes please, the floor is yours.
I don't want their support because I would feel that my dignity has been lowered when I get the support of people who've already long sold their pens.
I feel the same way.
People who've already long sold their pens.
I feel the same way.
I don't need their support.
Yes.
I don't don't need their support.
Yes.
But I will say this. I have the right to live in West Bengal and run an organization which does not ideologically agree with the TMC. Arnav has the right to be in Maharashtra and run an organization which criticizes Shiv Sena. And TMC and Maharashtra government have absolutely no right to talk about freedom of expression because you don't believe in it. Me, for practicing journalism, I was interrogated. There were FIRs against me, my husband, my father was threatened. I was interrogated by the rowdy department like I'm some sort of a drug peddler, and absolutely nobody here, whoever represents either the Bengal government or the Maharashtra government, has the right to even mention freedom of expression from their mouths, because I am sorry, sirs, maybe you personally believe in it, and I will have to respect your opinion because I don't know you personally, but the government
Two
you
wrongs
support
can't make a
and
right,
the government
madam.
you're from.
If there were
Please
injustice
admit
to you, it doesn't mean that it happened with somebody
Admit
else.
that West Bengal government was
Why that the
wrong.
person
If
lives
you're
in
saying two
Maharashtra
wrongs
or
don't make
Bengal?
a right,
Or
admit
that person
that
is a
West
professor
Bengal
in
government
Hyderabad
was wrong.
University.
Admit Maharashtra
Right?
government was wrong. You will not sit here and sermonize me when I have been hounded by the
You,
government.
madam,
when
you have
Arnav
gone
has
to
been hounded by the
court.
government.
If there is a false FIR against you, the FIR will be quashed. As simple as that, right?
It is on stage. No.
If there is a
No,
false
1 second.
FIR against you, the FIR will be quashed.
Are you seriously
As
going to
simple
sit?
as that.
Okay, so if
But
the
that
case
is
against
not-
Ria is
not-
false, it will be
making false
quashed.
stories.
Why are you getting so pissed off about it?
For making fake
This
posts
is
about
the
Durga Puja.
fascist face of the opposition party.
Making fake posts
This
about
is your
Durga Puja.
fascist tendencies where you are saying it so casually that all right, you were interrogated for no reason, your husband was interrogated, your father was threatened, but if we were wrong, the court will quash the FIR. It's so
Are
simple.
making false stories, titillating stories.
How do you know it's a false story?
How do you know?
How do you know it's a false story?
Stories are being.
How do you know it's a false story? Explain it. Smita, look at that. The moment the story is... No. Smita and Nupur.
Ridiculous.
I do
This
not
is
make
so
my voice on
hurtful.
television, but bloody prove it.
This is so hurtful. You think it is so easy?
Do not
You think it is so easy for firstly to put an FIR on a woman journalist and then to quash? Do you know what it takes to take on a state government like this?
Do not
And you
make
call it a
statements against me.
titillating
You
story?
can't bloody prove
This is
it.
so cruel what you are saying to
I'm
a woman
asking you the
journalist.
same question.
To any woman you are saying that she had a titillating story, the fact that she had to go through interrogation, whatever the reason, whatever her political bias, do you think that a state government putting a woman journalist through this kind of an interrogation is a titillating story? Please see what the words that you use against women.
Shri Ram.